Our home service for today
Okay
is
lang.
about
Para
TCL TV
magamit
brand
lang.
new from
Ayun,
Kutha.
itry muna sa mismo
Bad
sa
image
practice.
appearing after 10 to
Hindi ko
15
i-cover
minutes. Here is the model number. First try, hang the left side of the flex. Check the image if it has a bar lines appearing.
Dito.
If the image is good, then try it the other side. I've found out some bar lines appearing a little bit. So here is our legendary solution, a tape method. Warning! This job is for the technician only. This job. Sometimes it will work or damage the panel of your TV. So let this job to the professional technician near you. Because it's a home service, we need to test or trial 10 to 20 minutes after we close the TV. And because the history of their TV, the damage appearing after 10 to 15 minutes. Of course, we need to share and care always our customers on how to care their TV. Prevention is better than cure right. Or this is what we called sharing is caring.
Adjust na natin sa eksakto. Ay brand new pa naman to. Pwede natin adjust ng 25. Basta masusunod lang yung ano ng mata. Tag doon, comfort ng mata, parang mga cellphone natin. Yung mga 30% o 40, pwede na. Sobrang dilim na alas eh. Pero para tumagal yung lifespan niya, palagi kong binibilin yun sa aking mga customer. Pero ngayon ano pa na naman to, sineting na natin pero under observation. Pero ito na ang palaging ginagawa ko kasi paggawakan natin tong kanyang panel, mainit ito. Umiinit ito sa ilalim, umiinit yung backlight. Umiinit din yung kanyang panel, so naapektuhan yung kanyang flex sa ilalim kasi may mga flex yun sa ilalim, mga side CUF or chipon flex. Yan. So medyo maganda-ganda na sa mata. Para lumaba pa yung lifespan ng kanyang backlight. Ayan. Okay na ito sir. Pwede na ibalik sa YouTube. Cancel na natin ang kanyang may shorted na panel. Dito po yung may tama sa kanan. Cancel natin. Medyo mapansin natin din sa pagpaputi, medyo magaspang yan. Ayan, may kagaspangan kasi nandito yung shorted ng panel. Pwedeng factory defect o pwedeng factory defect, pwede rin na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kasi may diferensya yung backlight niyan. Kasi naabot niya na yung lifespan niya eh.